Shopify is a cloud-based, all-in-one e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage an online store for selling products and services. It offers website design, payment processing, order management, shipping, and other tools and features to help businesses create and run their online stores. With Shopify, users can choose from a variety of customization options and integrations, and sell their products through multiple sales channels such as social media, in-person, and online. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage an online store for selling products and services. It provides an all-in-one solution for website design, payment processing, order management, shipping, and more. With Shopify, users can access a range of customization options, including themes, apps, and plugins, to enhance the functionality of their store. The platform also supports various payment gateways and offers integrations with popular shipping carriers, making it a versatile and user-friendly solution for starting and growing an online business. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.